$450 on a budget gaming system? Huh, not a problem. Roll the intro. What's going on, guys? Welcome to TechnoRight, where technology is done right. So before we start anything, I'm really sorry if you hear any background noise because it's raining here. So yeah, bear with me. Okay, so today is a different kind of video. I'm trying to mix things up a little bit on the channel here today. So today we are going to build a $450 gaming system. So this will be only the CPU tower and not the peripherals and monitor all included. So it will be only the tower. So let's get straight into it. So for the processor, I went with the Pentium G4560 dual core processor. So you'd say, whoa, hold on bro, just hold right down there. And you say it's dual cores. Most of the games right now has a minimum requirements of 4 cores, and you have only dual core. Well, hold your horses right there, guys. The G4560 has hyper threading technology, so it has 4 threads. So that means it acts as a quad core in most of the games, and it really kicks all of the games. So yeah, it has the L3 cache of 3 megabytes of L3 cache, so not too bad there. And it also has integrated graphics such as the Intel HD graphics 610. So yeah, if you don't want, or you're still saving money for the graphics card and you want to go for better graphics card, you can still lay down on this graphics, which is not too bad. But yeah, okay, so the motherboard we are going for is the ASRock B250M HDV Micro ATX Mobile. So it is LG1151. If you don't know that this is a Kabylake processor, and this is the Kabylake system build, so yeah, we have to go with the LG1151 socket. So I just like the looks of this motherboard. It's aesthetically pleasing. So it has a black and white color scheme. It has 2 RAM DIMM slots, so it supports up to DDR4 2400 MHz, and yeah, not too bad. It supports a max amount of 32 gigs of RAM. So yeah, if you're into video editing or something like that, you can still upgrade your RAM. So it has one PCIe 3.0 slot, so it's quite fast. And the main reason I have chose this motherboard is that it has M.2 slot. So it has an Ultra M.2 slot for your fast SSD needs. So if you want more speed and more space, just slot in an M.2 and you're ready to go. So yeah, pretty budget motherboard, really good for the price. And yeah, all the price will be listed at the end of the video, guys. So yeah, I'm just only giving the explanation on why did I go with those parts. For the memory, we have the Team Elite Plus 8 gigs. This is a single channel memory, DDR4 at 2400 MHz of course. And pretty much the reason I went with this memory, it was the cheapest memory that I can find on PC Part Picker, and with that was the highest speed it went to. So yeah, budget price, budget choice. So yeah, let's roll on to the next. So this part, this hardware is quite interesting because you can't expect a SSD in this build, because it's a $450 budget build and nobody can squeeze in an SSD. But I did put in an SSD. So we are going with the PNY CS1311 120 gig SSD. The main reason I went for it is cheap. It has the capacity to store in your OS like Windows, and also for minor programs. So you can install Steam into there, and then you can store your games in another hard disk. Which brings out to the next hardware. It's the Toshiba 1TB 7200 RPM mechanical hard disk drive. Basically we are going with the SSD and hard disk mechanical hard drive combo here. So you have the best of both worlds. So yeah, it has a large capacity, so you can store movies, games all on the one beautiful 1 TB. Okay, so let's go move on to the graphics card, which is in this case the most important part because it's a budget gaming PC build. So we went with the Gigabyte GeForce GTX 1050, the OC 2GB DDR5 edition. So this is an OC edition, which stands for overclocked, and yeah, it has a great price to performance ratio, and it kicks all the games at high settings, so you can't regret going with this card. So yeah, and the 1050 and the Pentium G4560, it makes a pretty best combo for now on budget gaming system, guys. For the power supply, I went for quite low because in total PC part picker they showed that this system would consume 225 watts. So if I go 300 watts, it would be like too low, so I just stuck with 450. So we went with the EVGA 450 watt 80 plus bronze PSU. This has a lot of juice for the system. It has a 80 plus bronze rating, and it's just perfect for this budget system. So yeah, okay, so finally this is where we saved all the money, guys. The case, I really wanted to match the black and white of the motherboard, so yeah, we went with the DIY PC DIY F2 W Mini ATX case. That's a long name. So I haven't heard of this case. I intentionally wanted to go with the Roseville case, but then I saw this for just $10 more, and I was like, whoa, that's a really good bargain for a case. So I just went with it. And in PC part picker, I saw a rating of 4.7 stars out of 6, so that's pretty insane, guys. So it has a micro ATX form factor, so it supports micro ATX and mini ATX. It's budget friendly, goes together with the color scheme, and also has really good ventilation. And the surprising thing that it comes with 2 amazingly bright blue LED fans, so you don't have to spend 2 more fans for 2 more fans, as it's already included in the case. So yeah, you save some money there, and it has really good ventilation. And for the front I/O, it has 1 USB 3.0, 2 USB 2.0, and audio ports. And bummer, guys, it doesn't support CD drive or DVD drive. It doesn't have a 5.25 slot, so yeah, if you want to slot in your DVD or disc drive, you can't slot it. So yeah, bummer there. But if you want to change the case, it's up to you. So for 450 bucks, this PC is really badass, guys. So yeah, so the total price, so I'm going to list down each price now. So if you want to check out all these parts, you can go to the PC part picker list, which is down in the description below. Just click it and you'll get the whole list with the shipping and everything. You just go and click order and you're done. So yeah, guys, all this total including shipping, it's $448.70. so just shy of our 450 budget. And yeah, but if you do not include shipping, which is actually $5.98, you'll get to $442.72 without shipping. So yeah, guys, this PC here, it really kicks games. I can guarantee you this is one of the best system to go with. And yeah, I think that's about it. Also, leave in the comments section below, guys, if you like this type of videos, and give me a like so I'll know to continue this type of series. I have a few ideas on going for these types of budget builds. So if you like it and you feel this was helpful, please leave a like to let me know. And Also, yeah, I think that's about it. Check in the description below for the full PC particle list. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. And I'm out.